Hey everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell next to it so YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. And for everybody who's already subscribed to my channel, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for your support and your comments and for liking my videos. I really appreciate it and you're really helping this channel to grow and I'm just really excited to see where it goes. So thank you guys so much. Alright, so for what I'm doing today, I am going to be using some of my fall Dollar Tree floral that I have left over and some carvable pumpkins and making some fall DIYs. So I hope you enjoy them. Alright, so what you're going to need from Dollar Tree is one of the carvable pumpkins, and I already took the stem off of mine and spray painted it in the Rust-Oleum chalked aged gray spray paint that I had on hand. You need 2 bunches of some fall floral, and then I have this glass hurricane here that's also from Dollar Tree, and then an LED pillar candle, a piece of floral foam, and then the lace ribbon that is from Dollar Tree. And then I'm also going to need my Exacto knife or a knife to cut into the pumpkin, and then some hot glue and my glue gun. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my glass hurricane and put it on top of my pumpkin here and measure how wide it is so that way I can cut a circle into the top of the pumpkin. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take my floral foam and cut it down to size and place it inside there. And then probably also this piece that I cut from the pumpkin, just so that way when I sit my vase inside of here, it won't sit all the way at the bottom of the pumpkin. It'll kind of sit outside of the pumpkin so you'll be able to see the candle better. Okay, so next I'm just going to take my lace ribbon and I'm going to hot glue 8 pieces along the sides here just to cover up some of the seams and imperfections. Alright, so now all I'm going to do is just place my hurricane inside my pumpkin and then take my flowers and cut them down and then just place them around the hurricane. Okay, so for this floral pumpkin, I am going to use this Nautical rope from Dollar Tree, another carvable pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and then I have a bunch of these fall daisies from Dollar Tree. I think I have 8 bunches. I don't think I'll use all of them, but I have them here if I need them. And then I got my scissors and my hot glue gun and glue sticks. So I'm going to start off first by removing the stem from the pumpkin and wrapping the rope around the pumpkin in 8 sections. Now for the flowers, I'm just going to pull them off the stem and apply a little hot glue and then stick them in between the rope sections until the whole pumpkin is filled with flowers. All right, so for this, I'm using another Dollar Tree carvable pumpkin, and I already went ahead and painted it with some green chalk paint. I just actually mixed two colors together. It was a cream color and a green color, and then I got a lighter green out of that, and then I went ahead and put some brown stain over it just to distress it a little bit, like I did with my last pumpkin in my video on Monday. So if you guys want to see how I did it, I'll link that video up above. But I didn't go ahead and paint the top because I'm going to be removing the top. And then I have some Dollar Tree floral and some floral foam and my Exacto knife. So what I'm going to do first is just cut around where this ring is already on the pumpkin and cut that out, and then insert my floral foam in there, and then start building my floral arrangement.